Whichit for Advertisers tutorials. Create a widget post. Welcome to the Whichit for Advertisers tutorial channel. Let's learn how to get started with Whichit for Advertisers platform and how to create a widget post. This is your creative library. Your creative library is your homepage and the core of your Whichit account. You have an overview of all your created widget posts, as well as your drafts. That's the place you can manage them. Your main dashboard contains all your submitted widget posts. While hovering over each widget post, you can see the different options you can take: preview, delete, duplicate, and edit. You get a brief overview of the statistics when you hover over a widget post, as well as the type of commercial offer behind the post and date of creation. When you click on View Statistics, you will be forwarded to the Analytics dashboard, and you will be able to see the full performance statistics of your widget from all linked campaigns. There are a few options to sort your posts by publish date, total votes, and more. You can also choose the way to order them. On the left-hand side, you can view all types of widget posts and their drafts. We are now ready to create a widget post. First, click the Create New button on the top. On the left-hand side, you'll find a step-by-step guide with a little checklist of tasks that need to be completed before moving to the next stage. Making sure you're not getting lost in the process, use the buttons Next and Back to go forward to the next stage, or backwards if you need to. Start by asking an appealing question and then provide some answers. For your answers, you can use 2 or 4 images from your computer, upload from your Instagram account, or drag and drop some from our beautiful royalty-free library. You can add an overlay text on top of the images by clicking on the relevant frame. You can modify the design of your text by changing the color of the text, the type of font, adding a shadow to it, or even the background overlay transparency and color. Tip: it is recommended to use large and bold fonts that are easy to read. Now when the creative is ready, it's time to select the commercial layout of the post, the Engage card. Choose which one of our Engage cards suits best to your marketing goals. For this example, we will attach a Redirect Engage card that allows you to redirect users from the widget post to a web page based on their choice. Fill in the Engage card details of the first image, and then jump to the other images to add their details as well. The best way to drive your audience to the call to action is having a different commercial message for each frame, relevant to what the user has voted on. Learn more on the different Engage cards on our tutorial, Whichit Engage Cards. Review your post and click Submit. Great! You have just submitted your very first widget post. It now exists on your creative library. In order to expose the post to your audience and start getting results, you'll need to create a campaign. Check our campaign tutorials. Thank you for watching.